difficult thing on Monday morning. Yep, and at its peak on Monday morning, you've got a departure averaging 1 turn in 30 seconds, which is about 4 times the rate of aircraft engines going back to locations around the UK, but as far west as California, the United States over 5,000 nautical miles, and as far east as Pakistan, 4,500 nautical miles. So in circumstances like that, the flight ops team are working very hard to ensure that all the flight plans are filed. The meteorological team, again, not just looking at the local area or here throughout the display is the uprated guaranteed turboprop engine fitted to the RAF Tucano by Shorts in Belfast. This particular engine boasts more power than the original Tucano design. As the engine turns back towards ground center, you'll see it roll the aircraft through 720 degrees 5-point roll. This year's Tucano display is supported by Babcock International Group, who provide engineering and ground support to the RAF Tucano fleet and its host, the RAF Linton-on Ouse in Yorkshire, and the team's thanks go out to them for helping us to make this display possible. Liam now pulling up to the starting loop where he'll keep upside down at a height of 2,300 feet. Display pilot is Flight Lieutenant Liam Matthews. Liam is known in the military as a skivvy qualified flying instructor, meaning he demonstrated above average flying ability during his own flight training and was selected to be an instructor at an early stage of his career. As Liam completes his nollie stall turn, he's going to dive back down for some energy and return with a quarter clover back onto the display line. The Tucano team would like to thank a few companies for their support this year. A special thanks go out to Breitling, Mountain Equipment, and Osprey Europe. Myself and Liam were students training on this aircraft less than 2 years ago. The younger members of the audience watching today, we remember coming to RIAT watching our first displays. We were not when we go in your shoes, and you can very soon be in ours. If you keep your eyes on Liam out to the left-hand side, he's repositioning to perform an out-to-side turn. During this manoeuvre, Liam is going to put the aircraft onto its side and push his way around the sky, being forced out of his seat by the force equal to twice his own body weight. Managed to visit our team tent today, you may have noticed another supporter to the Tucano is the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund. The team gives huge thanks for their support and enjoys celebrating together 100 years of the RAF BF. The Tucano that's displaying in front of you today is the stepping stone for flying a military fast jet like you've seen displaying earlier. Students graduating from the Tucano will go on to fly the new Hawk T2 that is based at RAF Valley in North Wales. Tucano, now at the end of its service, has served 30 years with the #1 flying training school, the oldest military flying school in the world. As it finishes its final year of service, the Texan T1 aircraft is working up to replace the Tucano as part of the new UK MFGS, and will also fly out of RAF Valley based in North Wales. Demonstrating a high level of handling skill, Liam will now complete a slow roll as he passes back in front. This is one of many manoeuvres taught to all students as they progress through basic fast jet flying training, teaching young aviators the handling skills required to appreciate the complexities involved when dynamically flying an aircraft. Displaying just before us was the computer. The computer is the starting. It is now running away from the crowd's position to fly a high G turn, pulling 4.5 G. As he passes back in front of you, he'll pull back on the stick and be forced into his seat with the force of nearly half a ton. This is another example of manoeuvres taught to all students of basic fast jet flying training, allowing them to appreciate how to fly an aircraft to its maximum performance. Liam's first season as a display pilot and the Tucano's very final year, so a very momentous occasion for 72 Squadron. For the keen photographers in the audience, if you keep your cameras panned out to the left and follow Liam as he positions to fly, a favourite manoeuvre of Tucano display pilots, the hanging stall turn. As he returns in front of the crowd and pulls up, the aircraft will appear to hang in midair at a height of approximately 2,500 feet before Liam will recover and dive for some speed for his next manoeuvre. He is now pulling up, placing the aircraft onto a knife edge, feeding in the top rudder until the aircraft appears to stall and hang in midair at 2,500 feet. Liam joined the Royal Air Force direct. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's been an absolute pleasure to talk to you today. I hope you've enjoyed watching the displays as much as Liam's enjoyed flying it for you. We hope you enjoy the rest of your afternoon at RIAT, and we look forward to meeting as many of you as you can at our team stand located in the blue zone behind the two C-17 aircraft.
And if you're enjoying all these flying displays, do bear in mind that Planes TV are here again today. They've got 6 cameras all around the ground, and many of the aircraft are carrying onboard GoPro cameras as well. You can order your DVD or Blu-ray in advance here today, and at the same time, take away a free copy.
He'll spend the next few days semi-STEM, with good reason.
Well, we have a shortage of those skills in our workforce, and that is the future. They are the future skills we need. I mean, you look around us, everything is inspired today, everything is all about technology, it's about engineering. Maths has a huge part to play. So if you study these at school, even if you don't know yet what you want to do when you're older, if you study these at school, it will open